we have just acquired this absolutely stunning Ford Focus ST-2 in very rare pearlescent white. It's a pearlescent white blue colour, absolutely stunning, practically unmarked. I'm not going to say unmarked because I'm sure there's a mark here or there, but practically unmarked. As you can see, wheels are unmarked as well. All four wheels are running on Goodyear Eagle tyres with plenty of tread. Discs look like they've been very recently done there. It's a real head turner, this car. You've got rear park distance control, twin exhaust, nice rear diffuser, carpet mats, absolutely lovely stunning boot area. Even the rear cover is intact, they usually disintegrate. Look at it, there's not one bit of dirt on it anywhere. Below the doors, privacy glass. Step in the car, we've got 3 keys. Start stop button, put down on the clutch, start the car. All the warning lights come on and then go off. It has done, bear with me, 76,010 miles. You've got the 3 gauges at the top there, all work. Sony DAB radio, traction control, air conditioning that's blowing nice and cold, 6-speed gearbox, locking wheel nut and USB. Obviously Recaro seats, really comfortable. This car is lovely. Don't think you'll find better on the market at this price range. The cam belt has been replaced on the car. That's important. I'll repeat that again. The cam belt has been done on the car with a very comprehensive service history. Please give us a ring on 07 503 751 if you require any further information. Thank you.